Welcome to today's video, where we will be talking about the Mediterranean diet. This way of eating is not only delicious but also incredibly healthy and has been shown to improve overall health and well-being. In this video, we'll dive into the details of the Mediterranean diet, its benefits, and how to incorporate it into your life. What is the Mediterranean diet? The Mediterranean diet is based on the traditional dietary patterns of people living in countries such as Greece, Italy, and Spain. It emphasizes a high consumption of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts, and olive oil, with moderate amounts of fish, poultry, and dairy. Red meat is consumed only in small amounts, and sweets and processed foods are limited. The Mediterranean diet is not just a diet, but a lifestyle that includes physical activity, socializing, and enjoying meals with family and friends. Benefits of the Mediterranean diet. Research has shown that the Mediterranean diet can help reduce the risk of heart disease, stroke, and certain types of cancer. It can also improve brain function, reduce inflammation, and promote healthy digestion. The high consumption of healthy fats in the diet, such as those found in olive oil and nuts, can help lower bad cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. In addition, the Mediterranean diet has been shown to promote longevity and a higher quality of life. Sample Mediterranean diet meal plan. Breakfast: Greek yogurt with fresh berries and a sprinkle of chopped nuts. A slice of whole grain bread with avocado spread. Lunch: whole grain wrap filled with hummus, roasted vegetables, and a drizzle of olive oil. A side of mixed green salad with a homemade vinaigrette. Dinner: grilled fish with a side of roasted sweet potatoes and a mixed green salad dressed with a homemade vinaigrette. A glass of red wine in moderation. Snack: a handful of almonds and a piece of fresh fruit. Tips for incorporating the Mediterranean diet into your life: 90 seconds. Start by incorporating small changes into your diet, such as adding more fruits and vegetables and switching to whole grains. Use olive oil as your primary cooking oil and enjoy a variety of fish and seafood. Choose nuts and seeds for snacks instead of processed foods. Finally, don't forget to stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water and enjoying a glass of red wine in moderation. In addition to diet, make sure to incorporate physical activity into your lifestyle and prioritize socializing and enjoying meals with loved ones. Mediterranean diet and sustainability. The Mediterranean diet is not only beneficial for health but also for the environment. By emphasizing plant-based foods and reducing red meat consumption, the Mediterranean diet can help reduce greenhouse gas emissions and promote sustainable food systems. In addition, choosing local and seasonal produce can reduce the carbon footprint of your diet. Conclusion: the Mediterranean diet is a delicious and healthy way of eating that can help improve your overall health and well-being. By incorporating more fruits and vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats into your diet, you can enjoy the benefits of this way of eating while still enjoying delicious and satisfying meals. Remember to prioritize physical activity, socializing, and enjoying meals with loved ones as part of the Mediterranean lifestyle. Thanks for watching.